Hello kids! Let's learn the alphabet J today. J. J is for juice, juice, juice. So tasty and sweet, a refreshing treat. J is for jug, jug, jug. Where the water flows, everybody knows. J is for jellyfish, jellyfish, jellyfish. Floating in the sea, swimming happily. J is for jam, jam, jam. Spread it on your bread, strawberry red. J is for jacket, to keep us warm. J is for jet, flying through a storm. J is for Jaguar, so fast and sleek. J is for jar, where we store what we seek.
We share something new every day. To get the updates, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.